Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. I have uploaded many IEO, NSO and IMO question paper for class 3 students. You refer that also. To get that question papers, you please go to the playlist in Students Reference channel and click Olympiad Class 3. Now we are going to discuss about 2018 Set B IEO question paper for class 3 students. The first topic is word and structure knowledge. For questions 1 to 9, choose the correct option to fill in the blank. Example, the sun is hottest in the afternoon. The answer is D. The sun is hottest in the afternoon. 1. I left my jacket dash the table after it had fallen off my chair. The options are under, up, at, in. The answer is A. Under. I left my jacket under the table after it had fallen off my chair. 2. My mother always said that dash happiness is very important. The options are a, and, the, no article. The answer is D. No article. My mother always said that happiness is very important. 3. After the rain, the park was flooded. Dash, we went home. The options are to, because, so, are. The answer is C. So. After the rain, the park was flooded, so we went home. 4. I danced to the Taj Mahal, but I plan to go next year. The options are went, haven't gone, am going, go. The answer is B. Haven't gone. 5. My brother dash in the shop at the moment. The options are works, is working, has worked, has been working. The answer is B. Is working. My brother is working in the shop at the moment. 6. The match dash on and starts at noon. The options are is, was, is, being, have been. The answer is A. Is. The match is on and starts at noon. 7. I only have dash apples left in the house. The options are lots, any, a few, many. The answer is C. A few. I only have a few apples left in the house. 8. I'm sure these are all dash because we paid for them. The options are mine, theirs, hers, ours. The answer is D. Ours. I'm sure these are all ours because we paid for them. 9. I put my bags on the bus and then dash took my seat. The options are happy, happiness, happily, happier. The answer is C. Happily. I put my bags on the bus and then happily took my seat. For questions 10 and 11, choose the part of the sentence that has an error. 10. The snow make all the hills look like marshmallows, doesn't it? The options are the snow make all the hills look like marshmallows, doesn't it? The answer is A. The snow make. 11. During the winter, when it cold, we always eat heavy food to keep warm. The options are during the winter, when it cold, we always eat heavy food to keep warm. The answer is B. When it cold, we. For questions 12 and 13, choose the option with correct spelling. 12. What is correct spelling of the word that is something you can eat? You read the given options carefully. The answer is C. Porridge. 13. What is correct spelling of the word that is a piece of cloth used to wipe your nose? You read the given options carefully. The answer is A. Handkerchief. 14. Choose the antonym of develop. The options are rebuild, destroy, select, produce. The answer is B. Destroy. Develop, destroy. 15. Choose the synonym of elbow. The options are jaw, leg, head. The answer is D. Joint. Elbow, joint. Next topic is reading. For questions 16 to 20, read the passage and answer the questions that follow. Katie lived with her family in a large old house. It got very cold in the winter. At this time of the year, they used the big fireplace in the living room to keep the house warm. Katie's favorite house job was to help get firewood for the fire from the forest. However, she was small and not very strong, so she would only collect small sticks. Her sister Sumi was older and stronger, and she would collect larger sticks and small logs. Katie and Sumi's father collected the large logs that would burn for a long time. This was a difficult job. Katie always wanted to help, but no matter how hard she tried, she could not move such big logs. One day, Katy had an idea. It had been snowing, and Sumi and Katy were playing on the hill with their sledges. They were going up the hill and then zooming down it on the sledge. It was great fun. Their father was in the forest at the top of the hill cutting firewood. When he had finished, Katy suggested that he use their sledge to help carry the firewood down the hill. The two girls helped their father load the sledge with large bits of wood. Then they all slid down the hill on it with the wood and made it home quickly and easily. Their father was very happy. His job had been made much easier. It was now also fun for him to go down the hill quickly on the sledge with his daughters. And here, sledge means it's one type of vehicle which can move on ice or snow. And slid down means move down. Example, where did Katie live? In a large house. 16. What time of year is the story set in? The options are summer, winter, autumn, spring. The answer is B, winter. The answer is given here. It got very cold in the winter. 17. What job does Katie like doing best? She likes dash. The options are collecting wood, cooking dinner, making tea, clearing snow. The answer is A, collecting wood. The answer is given here. Katie's favorite house job was to help get firewood. 18. Who is Sumi? The options are Katie's mother, Katie's father, Katie's sister, Katie's brother. The answer is C, Katie's sister. 19. What were the girls doing on the hillside? The options are sitting, fighting, working, playing. The answer is D, playing. The answer is given here. Sumi and Katie were playing on the hill with their sledges. 20. Using the sledge made the job dash for Katie's father. The options are fun, slower, difficult, dangerous. The answer is A, fun. The answer is given here. It was now also fun for him to go down the hill quickly on the sledge with his daughters. For questions 21 to 25, read the passage and answer the questions that follow. Josh wanted to be an astronaut. He was very interested in visiting the planets and the stars. He spent a lot of time looking up at the night sky and wondering what it would be like to visit the faraway places up there. He had a lot of books about science and the universe, and he hoped that one day he would train to go into space. One day, a man who was an astronaut visited Joe's school. He gave a talk on what it was like to fly to other planets in a space rocket. Joe thought it sounded scary. The man also showed the school children a video about life on a space station. Joe thought that it looked like great fun. He liked the idea of floating around without gravity holding him in one place. The astronaut seemed to be having a good time and laughed a lot. When Jose went home, he told his parents all about the astronaut that had visited them at school. His father was quite excited about Jose wanting to be an astronaut. He said he would have liked to be an astronaut, but he did not go to university. He said that Jose would have to work hard at school and get good grades to go to university and become an astronaut. Jose decided that he would spend a lot of time studying. 21. Where did Jose want to go? The options are home, school, space, museum. The answer is C, space. 22. Who visited Joe's school? The options are a sportsman, a spaceman, a TV celebrity, a professor. The answer is B, a spaceman. 23. What did Jose think about traveling to another planet? The options are it was scary, it was impossible, it was boring, it was hard work. The answer is A, it was scary. The answer is given here. He gave a talk on what it was like to fly to other planets in a space rocket. Jose thought it sounded scary. 24. In the video, the astronauts were dash themselves. The options are training, helping, enjoying, feeding. The answer is C, enjoying. The answer is given here. The astronauts seemed to be having a good time and laughed a lot. 25. What is the meaning of the word gravity in the second paragraph? The options are a person who is trained to travel in a spacecraft, a slow and light movement in a liquid or the air, a high level educational institution in which students study, the force that attracts a body towards the earth. The answer is D. Next topic is spoken and written expression. For questions 26 to 30, choose the most suitable option to complete each conversation. Example, Roy, what time does our class start? Kusum, it starts at 8:30. 26, Broad, I can't believe I will be home in 2 days. I'm so dash. Imma, I know we are really looking forward to seeing you. The options are excited, excitement, exciting, excitedly. The answer is A, excited. I'm so excited. 27. Jan, that was a great barbecue. David, A, it was dash loved the food. The options are 1, nobody, someone, everybody. The answer is D, everybody. It was everybody loved the food. 28. Dina, I am amazed at how much he can do for Dash. Fran, yes, I am also shocked at how independent he is. The options are itself, herself, himself, yourself. The answer is C, himself. He can do for himself. 29. Ken, I wish I danced to the concert with you. Annie, you really did miss out. It was amazing. The options are had gone, was went, is gone, has gone. The answer is A, had gone. I wish I had gone to the concert with you. 30th, Eric, when I was in town this afternoon, I did the shopping and went to the bank this afternoon. Blair, lucky you, dash, two birds with one stone. The options are kills, killing, will kill, have killed. The answer is B, killing. Lucky you, killing two birds with one stone. Achievers section. For questions 31 to 33, choose the correct option to fill in the blank. 31. The tremor from yesterday will continue to dash until tomorrow. The options are feel, have feeling, have been feeling, be felt. And here tremor means shaking movement in one or more parts of body because of muscle contraction. The answer is D, be felt. 32. Creating such fine work must take dash a lot of time. The options are at, in, up, off. The answer is C, up. Creating such fine work must take up a lot of time. 33. We are aiming dash at your house before midday. The options are to arrive, arrive, arriving, arrived. The answer is A, to arrive. We are aiming to arrive at your house before midday. 34. Choose the antonym of dreamy. The options are colorful, misty, horrible, unclear. The answer is C, horrible. Dreamy, horrible. 35. Choose the most suitable option to complete the conversation. Greg, did you see our win yesterday? Steve, yeah, we really danced the other side. The options are backed, thrashed, lost, helped. The answer is B, thrashed. We really thrashed the other side. So my dear students, today we have completed 2018 set B IEO question paper for class 3 students. You refer other question papers also which I have uploaded already. I give the link in the description box. If you like this video, you please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.